Welcome to the core of predictive machine learning. We are diving into one of the most critical, most used, and most misunderstood weapon in your AI world. It's classification, the process of assigning input into predefined categories based on pattern learned from data. So, classification, not just some beginner concept. This is the foundation of predictive intelligence in finance, medicine, security, and beyond that. Classification is when a machine learning model map an input to one of several, as we are seeing here, several predefined category using boundary from historical labeled data. This is not guessing. This is not estimation. This is a battle of probability, decision boundary, and even feature space geometry. Let's see an example for classification. For now, you have an animal, and you are asking the machine just one question. Is this animal a dog, cat, or a rabbit? Based on some traits I will provide you. Let's be here on fact that any machine in the world doesn't know what a cat or dog means in the real world. By end of day, just a machine. But you're gonna give it a structured trait, like fewer type, the sound of this animal that it makes, and some kind of claw, right? Presence of claw. And a label for each example. This is the sound of the cat, this is the sound of the dog, and etc. And over time, the training here gonna start. The model learn how those traits relate to each and every category. In our case, we have here 3 categories. And that's what exactly we call it multi-class classification. Because in the last example, we saw together that we are choosing spam or not spam. So in this case, we are not choosing from yes or no. We are choosing from multi-discrete label. Each label or each category is a final decision. Based on what? Based on pattern across those input feature. That's exactly how classification work, and this is how machine learn to choose between a dog, a cat, and a rabbit, and all on their own.